2025 is the year of Bitcoin. It's time to pay attention to the future of finance. Bitcoin is about to explode. If you think you've missed out, think again. Bitcoin is in a new supercycle. The supply is shrinking. Wall Street are buying up every Bitcoin they can. History says a massive move is coming. Are you ready for it? Let's break it down. The Bitcoin halving, and what does it mean? This one event has triggered every Bitcoin bull run. Every 4 years, the amount of new Bitcoin gets cut in half. Less Bitcoin being created means higher scarcity. A supply shock is coming. So let's look at what has happened over the years. In 2012, we saw a 9,000% gain. In 2016, we saw a 2,900% gain. In 2020, we saw a 700% gain. The 2024 halving has just happened. We're already seeing the next big wave forming. Wall Street is going all in. The biggest money in the world is now in Bitcoin. BlackRock is buying Bitcoin. Fidelity is buying Bitcoin. Goldman Sachs is buying Bitcoin. Trillions of dollars are flooding in. But there is just one problem. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. Less than 2% of the world owns Bitcoin today. Imagine when the masses finally wake up. Money is being printed like crazy. Your dollars are losing value every single day. Inflation is out of control. Banks are collapsing left and right. Meanwhile, El Salvador has made Bitcoin legal tender. Argentina is moving towards Bitcoin adoption. And more countries are waking up. Bitcoin is becoming the ultimate safe haven. So where is Bitcoin heading next? Some experts predict 200K this cycle. Others, like ARK Invest, say 1 million by 2030. Sounds crazy, but look at the history. Bitcoin was $1 in 2011. Then 100. Then 1,000. Then 10,000. Now the sky is the limit. The next Bitcoin cycle is happening right now. Most people will miss it. But you don't have to. Comment below. Where do you think Bitcoin is heading next? Smash that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because we're just getting started. The biggest financial shift of our lifetime is happening. Are you ready?